Hello everyone and welcome back to Pixmux Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to remove programs from a Windows 10 PC. Before any delay, let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom left hand side and look for the area that says type here to search. You'll want to click in there and type the word add. You will see a pop up that says add or remove programs. That's what we're going to want to click. All the programs and applications that are installed on your computer appear on the bottom right hand side. You'll see there's 47 apps that are found on my current computer. Just for demonstration, I'm going to remove the Firefox browser. So let's search for that. You're going to want to click on the particular application that you want to uninstall and click the uninstall button. Again, you'll want to hit uninstall. Yes. Next. Uninstall. And finish. You can continue to uninstall applications. Sometimes it speeds up your computer when you get rid of applications that are not being used. The uninstall got rid of the icon on my desktop as well, and it'll do some cleanup in the background. That's all there is to uninstalling an application on a Windows 10 PC. Until next time.